everyone. My name is Danielle, and I just graduated nursing school in December. Then I used ReMar to study for my NCLEX, and I absolutely positively love this program. I'm already an LPN. When I did my LPN, I used UWorld, and I like UWorld. There's nothing wrong with UWorld, but I really love the fact that ReMar has so many videos, more of like a refresher course from anywhere from the basic things to the more complex things, stuff that you thought you knew or maybe you thought that I forgot. I was able to brush up on all type of skills that I needed to remember. I love that after ever so many videos, you have like the exam in there to help you kind of tie everything in, had you thinking, had you on your toes. I really, really did enjoy that. Instead of just answering question after question after question, you was able to kind of be in study mode without necessarily all the extra schoolwork tasks that you had to do on top of it. I really, really did enjoy this program. I like that you had to go in order. It kind of helped you stay on top of everything. I love the homework that was given with it. There's so many things I can really go on and on and on and say. But it was very, very, very helpful. And it also didn't make me feel like I was getting burnt out of just sitting down and just reading, or just sitting down and just going over so many questions. Like so many of my friends, like, yeah, I did 100 and something questions today. I'm gonna keep trying to do, and then they're so tired and burnt out and get discouraged because the more they do, sometimes they start doing not necessarily bad, but answering questions wrong and kind of feeling defeated. So I told them this program is absolutely wonderful. Like I said, I really like the videos. I like the content. It was easy to follow along. I like the visuals, the exams. I like the fact that you had to kind of redo them until you got them right, or at least scored a certain percent to kind of, it made me feel like I was able to grasp the concept and actually kind of go back and or either jot down stuff that I know I needed to study. But now that I have officially graduated, I'm definitely so happy to not have to study anymore. Have a little more free time to spend with friends and family. But as far as for nursing wise, I'm so excited to be able to start my new journey. I got offered a job in mother baby, which is kind of where I wanted to start my nursing career as, now that I'm an RN. Absolutely, positively, just love it. But I would definitely recommend getting this. It's definitely a 10 out of 10, and I would like to say I passed NCLEX Next Gen with ReMar. Bye.